As of January 2024, YouTube had over 2.7 billion monthly active users worldwide. Why specific data on the number of users who do not speak English is not readily available, we can infer from country-specific user statistics that a significant portion of YouTube's audience comprises of non-English speakers. For instance, in 2024, India had the largest number of YouTube users at 476 million users, followed by the United States with 238 million and Brazil with 147 million. Given that India and Brazil have substantial populations where English is not their primary language, it is suggested that a considerable number of YouTube users are not English speakers. If you have been filming your content in English and you want to push your content to other countries, that is the answer to how to get more and more views on YouTube. So watch this video to the end, because in today's video I will be showing you how you can translate your English recorded video to other languages. I will also show you how to know the countries that you are going to be translating your English recorded videos into. This method can easily boost your views on YouTube and fetch you millions of views, because you are not just pushing your videos to English speaking countries but to other countries like India, Philippines, France, Brazil, and other countries you might see in your own YouTube studio. This is going to be a very practical, simple, and easy technique. Trust me, you do not want to miss any step. But if you miss any step, perhaps you can just rewind the video and watch it again. So without wasting time, let's get into the practicals. The first thing you need to do is to open your YT Studio. When it's open, you look below your phone, the middle option, which is Analytics. You click on Analytics. When your analytics open, see the options over here where you see me moving my cursor right there. Scroll all the way to Audience. Now this is where I am trying to show you the countries that you are going to be translating your English recorded videos into, because you need to know the people who are watching your video. So you're going to scroll all the way to where it shows you Geography. So you're going to click on Geography. Now when Geography opens, for mine, you can see I have Nigeria, I have United States, I have United Kingdom, I have India, I have Ethiopia, South Africa, Kenya, Netherlands, Rwanda, and Canada. So here, India is not an English speaking country. Netherlands, I think they speak both English and something else. And yeah, I think Ethiopia as well, they speak English and something else. Now you have to do this to know the countries that you are going to be translating your videos to. But for me, I already have India right here, and yeah, I can just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT what languages do Netherlands speak, what languages do Rwandan speak, and then as well as Ethiopia. But for India, I know that is already Hindi. They speak Hindi. So now that you know the countries, we are going to close your YT Studio, and then you're going to open your Google Chrome. So your Google Chrome opens and it takes you to your home, and what you want to do is to click on the second. See on, sorry, my homepage is loading all over again. So if you look at this top left corner where you see me moving my cursor right here, you can see the second option is your video. So you click on that because you want to access all your videos, and then you select any of the videos that you want to translate into English. And then if you look on the left side corner right here, you can count the options, the tools below your thumbnail there. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one, that is the one that shows you subtitle. So right here you see the subtitle. You see the first one, it says English title and description language. The second one is English title and description language, but the second one doesn't have anything published on it. So you would want to click where it's written a subtitle somewhere here in the middle. That's where you want to click on. If you click on the second one, you see that pen tool that pops up. Click on the pen tool. Now it takes you to the next page. If you look at the option, you see upload file or auto sync, and then type manually. That's the translation, and then you see auto translate, and that's what you need. But auto translate right here is not clickable, so you want to close this page and then go back. And now you're going to click on the first one right here, and then you see the pen tool. Click on the pen tool, and it tells you that overwrite track. This will overwrite your existing English caption, and what you want to do is to continue. And now it's going to bring you to this next dialog box. Now this dialog box shows you the whole script that you have spoken. These are the words that you have spoken in your video from top to the end. So if you want to, if you have all of that time, you can just play back and listen to it. So this is basically everything. This is your video right here, and then everything all the way to the end of your video. Now you need to go through this script because sometimes the YouTube AI does not pick the words that you have pronounced correctly, so you want to just make the correction. So sometimes as you're going through the script, you can see that some of the words are already underlined in red. So the ones that are underlined in red, those are the words that it could not pick correctly, or you didn't spell them well. That is why they are underlined. So you want to correct some of those words. So the moment you correct those words, all you need to do is head on to the top right corner and hit publish. If you do not hit publish, it is not going to save, so you hit publish, and that automatically publishes the new script, right? So now when you come back to this page, you can now see that the second English, you can see that it's automatic captions. That shows automatic caption. And if you look below it right here, you can see add language. Right now, when you click on add language, you can now see all the languages that are possible to translate your video into. Now you can scroll all the way. So first language that I want to translate my video into is India, and Indians speak Hindi, so you want to go to letter H, right? Find letter H because Hindi starts with H. So right here you see Hindi, so I'm going to select Hindi. Right now when you select Hindi, it shows there, but you can see that it is not there yet, right? So you need to click on the middle here, then the pen tool. You're going to click on that pen tool, and then it takes you to the next page. Now you're going to hit on auto translate. So you click on auto translate, and then you automatically translate the whole of that script into Hindi. What you can see on this side here, it is your script spoken in Hindi. So you're going to click on publish. Now you can see that Hindi is added to the script. Now if you want to add another language, take for instance, because sometimes people from Philippines watch my video, so I want to translate my script into the language spoken by Filipinos, and I think Philippines, they speak Filipino, so you can go all the way to letter P, because Philippines starts with P, but the language they speak starts with F. I don't know how English has managed to do that. Then you're going to find Filipino. Now this is to show you that you can add more than one language. You can translate your video into more than one language. One video you can translate it to more than one language. So I'm going to select Filipino right here, and I'm going to click in the middle there, and I'm going to see the pen tool, and I'm going to click on the pen tool. It takes me to the next page, and I click on auto translate. Now it has translated this video into Filipino for all the Philippines people watching my video. So this is how to do it. Now my video is translatable in English, in Philippine, and then in Hindi. and you can go on and on and on. So this is how to translate your English recorded videos into other language, and if you do this, you can get hundreds and thousands of views by doing so. Don't forget to click on the screen right now to watch my next video.